Hello guys, good morning. So as you can see that we discussed the question on the left in the previous video. Now we are going to discuss the question on the right, and this is from unit 10.3 of your McGraw-Hill book. It says find the intervals of the data. So we need to find the C values, let's say, or the X to be precise in this case. It says the source for the entrance exam for college mathematical department is, so the scores are basically they have mean of 65 and they have standard deviation of 8. Now there is a student who want to be in top 20%. That means she wants to be here. If I divide it by 100, I will get 0.20. And the left part should be 80%, which is 0.80. Now I need to find if she wants to be in the top 20, what score she should get. For that, I need the Z value. So let's get on with it. Step one, as usual, we know a formula that is Z equals X minus mu divided by sigma. Now, we know this, we know this, we don't know this, we don't know this. So we need to find these two things. I think we can, because we have the area in the normal distribution, we can probably find the Z by using the Z value table. So step one, you go to the table and you look for area which is closest to 0.80. Find the corresponding Z value. So let me open it for you. The link is given on the top right, which you can use to open the Z table. There you go. So I'm looking for 0.80 in the area section, which is inside. So if I go down 0.8, 0.799, 0.80. So I think this one is closer because this is just 45 away from the value and this one is 234 away. So this value is our value. We go left, 0.8, 4. So we go back to the page, we write Z value as 0.84. Now I have got the Z value, so I can put this in the rule which I have on the top. Let me choose the rule. So it's going to be like 0.84 equals X is the score, which will correspond to the Z value, minus mean, which is 65 in the question, standard deviation, which is 8. Now a simple cross multiplication. On this side, I'm going to get 6.72. It's like plus 65 both sides. When I do that, I will get X equals 71.72. Now that's the score, which is exactly at this line. And she wants to be above that. That means if she wants to be in top 20, she must get, so I will write probability that X is greater than equals to 20%, 80%. It's going to be 72 is the score. Or let me just write it simply. She needs to score 72, more than 70. So because this is 71.72, so if she gets something more than that, she's in top 20%, which will be simply more than 72 marks. That's your answer. Keep tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.